Basic things you need to know if you are planning to start e-commerce business. First you need to know is how you can connect your Shopify with dropshipping suppliers to how you can import products from your dropshipping to your Shopify, which I'll be showing you in this video. I'll also be showing you how you can build a simple website as a beginner. Just follow this step for you to build your own first dropshipping store. You already have my Shopify account. So first you need to do when you have a Shopify account, you go to this app section here to connect your dropshipping suppliers with Shopify. If you want to connect them, you need to install this app in your Shopify. So when you come to this Shopify app here, you click on app. When you click on power app, it's going to show you this section here. Then you put in the dropshipping suppliers you want to make use of, maybe your Balo, but here I'll be making use of City Dropshipping. The dropshipping. Then you click on it. After that, it's going to direct you here. Then you click on install. So after you click on install, it's going to direct you back to the Shopify section here. Then you click on install again. Click on install again. When you click on install, it's going to bring you to this section here. Now you click on register here. I already have an account, so you click on register here. And here you say please read and agree to the store authorization. Then you tick this O here, tick it, then you click on register. Here you don't have an account. Here you are going to put your details. Password, your email, and put your confirmation code as well. If you have an invitation code, you can also put it here. So I'll fill in the form now. After you fill in the information, it's going to bring you here to put your username. You can put your username, put your first name, also put your phone number here as well. Then you click on confirm. That is going to bring you here. Then look for the products you want to import. Now from here you are going to import your product to your Shopify. Now let me show you how to do it. So I want to import 4 niche, which is women's wear, men's wear, shoes, and and bags. So now let's select the product. Click on women's wear. When you click on the waist, the women's is going to bring you here. Then you select type of product you want. So there's two options here. We have add to product, add to my product, and list. So you are going to click on add to my product. Click 5 products. So you just select 5 products here. Now after you select this product here, it has not be import to your Shopify yet. So you need to import this product to your Shopify from this dropshipping. So how can you find this product? You come to this side here called says my product. Click on my product. So I said when you selected the product we selected here, see in this dropshipping app here. So from here you are going to import it to your Shopify. After you select it, it's going to be here. Click on my product, then you're going to find it there. So from here you can import it to your Shopify. So before you import your product to Shopify, you need to create a connection so that it will be easy for you when you import it to Shopify. You don't need to create any connection again. Now, yeah, this is how you can create a connection. Click on product here, then you click on collection. Click here, click on add collection. So after you click on add collection, put in the product name. You post men's wear. Men's clothing. Men's clothing. Then you click on save. So now already have a connection which is women clothing. So if you want to add another connection, click here to add another connection. I'm going to connect, I'm going to create 4 connections here in this top. Now after that, go back to your dropshipping. After that, go back to your dropshipping. Then you select the product you choose. Now you click it, have product. Now you already select the product which is women's clothing. Then there's a two option here. We have manual listing and template listing. So click on manual listing. After you click on manual listing, it's going to bring you here. Then from here, it's going to suggest your store name. And after that, it's going to tell you category. You need to select the category of your product. That is why I say you need to create a connection before you start import product. Then you create a connection here and click on women's clothes. There's a recommendation price here, listing price, or you can put your own price. If you want to put your own price, you can times it or plus, then you put it there. Then you click on recommended listing price, click on confirm. Now all the products are selected from CG shipping has been imported to my Shopify. You can see it has been imported. Now you check the connection too. Check the connection too as well. You can see it has already been imported to the connection as well. So the next thing now is to create a website.